Hello everyone, welcome back to the HTML Mastery Course 2026. Congratulations, we have successfully completed our first 5 lessons of HTML. So far, we have learned HTML document structure, HTML elements and text formatting, links and navigation, images and multimedia basics. So now it's time to apply what we have learned because learning programming is not about watching videos only. The real learning starts when you build something by yourself. So today we are starting our very first mini project. Our project name is Personal Portfolio Landing Page, and this project we are going to create a simple portfolio web page that introduces us to the world. So this is actually similar to what professional developer create when they want to showcase their profile, skills and contact information. In this project we will build personal information, profile image, about me sections, contact lesson links, basic navigation menu. So don't worry if you feel like you are still a beginner, so we are only using concept that we have already learned in the previous lesson. So I will explain everything step by step. By the end of this project you will have created your first real web page project, and after completing this assignment I want to you create your own version using your own information, your own profile image and your own contact detail. So open your VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and create a new file, and let's build our first mini project together. So let's start coding. So now first create the doc type HTML. It's tell to the browser which version of HTML is used. Then the HTML main tag, then the head, and then the title of the page, my portfolio. Next create the body tag, and then create the navigation menu. Here we have a 3 navigation menu: home, about and contact. Next create the HR tag to create the horizontal line. Then the home section, create the section HTML tag opening and closing, and then add here the unique name of each section. So here is the H1 heading Muhammad Ilyas, and then next the image of the person profile.png, and then the alternative text Muhammad Ilyas profile picture, and then the width of the picture. Next the paragraph about this person: welcome to my personal portfolio website, I am so and so on. And next create the horizontal line, and then about section, again use the section opening and section closing tag, and then add the unique ID. Next create the heading 2 H2 opening closing tag, and add the about me text inside and these opening closing tag. Then the first paragraph, my name is Muhammad Ilyas and so on. And in the second paragraph, my goal is to create high quality content through code with Ilyasoft and so on. And here the horizontal line next, and the third section context section. Then again use the section opening closing tag, and then the unique ID contact, and add the heading to contact me. It is the heading, and then the paragraph. Inside any paragraph create the email, and add the mail to the anchor tag inside in the attribute. And then this is the email. When user click on this, it's open the default email application. Next for the YouTube, simple use the anchor tag, then href, then the value, and then use the target underscore blank, so that is actually the external link. Then next for the link length, and then again use the external link, and that's it. So then one by one add here on this anchor tag inside in the navigation menu. So here hash home, hash target and a current page section home, and then hash, and then about section and context section. So when user click on these text, it's found the section inside in the current page. So now run in the browser. So here is the navigation menu. Here is the name. Here is the first section, second about section, and contact me section. So here is the heading 1, the profile image, and then welcome to my personal portfolio is the paragraph. So when I'm click on the contact, it's redirect to this section. When about, it's jump to the about section. So this is our menu project. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Ilyasoft and share this course with your friends who want to learn web development from scratch. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next lesson. Happy coding.